In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add subtitles and captioning on iPhone. Adding subtitles and captions on an iPhone enhances accessibility by making content more inclusive for individuals with hearing impairments and beneficial for language learners. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, select Accessibility. You will want to navigate into the section of Hearing. Select Subtitles and Captioning. Make sure to enable this option. Head to Style. Now here you will have to choose how your subtitles or captions will look like. You can also get back and enable this option of audio transcription. This is essential for deaf users, as it allows them to fully engage with videos, movies, and other multimedia content. That's how easy it is to add subtitles and captioning on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.